Car's jerking right now.
It's jerking faster and faster by the second.
Oh!
Yeah, look at that. That's hot. Look at that.
Why is it green on my camera? Ah! Oh yeah, baby. Suck me dry. Oh! Oh! Blue come, green come, yellow come.
It's like bleeding or something.
Orange come. The golden showers. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, release the load.
Lowers it. Come on.
I guess we'll find out. Oh my god, that's fucking fast. Alright guys, we're cleaning his car the first time in forever.
No, the first time this year.
Oh yeah. Alright, Chrissy's daily routine of cleaning his car. Let's go guys! Oh my gosh! I can't wait! Look at that, I just collected a bottle. Oh my god! The amount of nerds! The amount of nerds, dude! Whoa.
Can I get the suck?
Oh, that feels so weird. See my camera.
Give me the suck. Oh! People this year to put that up to our penis.
Look, we got a second sucker. Yeah, grab that one, Blake.
Yeah, it's like. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Wait, what do I do, guys?
Take it out. Take it out.
Like, give me it. That noise though. Yo, what the fuck is that? Is that cum?
Oh!
You could actually like stick to it.
Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's wild!
Thank you. Here, feel it.
Oh! That sounds good.
What was that?
Oh, here's a nerd. Suck you? Can Papa that?
Oh yeah.
Watch together. Oh my god, we're such a cute couple, guys.
Now, turn your heart, man.
Put on your heels so we can clean your heels.
Get out.
What? I'm helping. Oh.
No way! You got most of the nerds, but not really all of them.
Yeah, Christian, you suck.
Dude, yeah, you missed half of this
Dude,
stuff.
you suck.
Bro, this sucks.
It's all melted.
No, it's not. Alright guys, car wash done. What's next, Chrissy?
It got wet. And so now it's
What?
Oh! The only thing I can think of that's wet is my ding dong. Wait, what if you came into the suckers? Where would it go?
If I suck that, if I feel like pretty good.
Alright, what's going on, guys?
So fucking hard.
What's going on, guys? Here, have a chance noise. Does that distract you?
Fuck out.
Does that distract you?
Get the fuck out.
Look. I close it.